morning, all the students, and Merry Christmas, everyone, and Happy New Year in advance to everyone. Myself, Harish Gangwar, and I'm present here to deliver a class related to the combination of sentences. In ICSE board, you have been given four sentences in question number 4, where you have asked to join these sentences without using and, but, or, so. And but also you don't have to use these words because there are so many options. How can we join these sentences without and but also? So once again, welcome you all on the channel Excellence English Classes. Please, this is the new channel, and here videos are only made for the betterment of yourself, for your better education. So please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and never miss an update. Okay, let's start. So see, students, the first sentence, this is the hospital. I was born here. The first sentence is, this is the hospital. I was born here. My dear students, to join these sentences, we must know that we have to follow the rules of synthesis. And what is synthesis? I guess that many students studying in ICSE board, they don't know what is synthesis. They don't know about synthesis. They just know that what is combination of sentences. Okay, so here we can see this is the hospital. So what can we use to join the sentence? This is the hospital where I was born. Here will be changed into where, and we can join the sentence like this. This is the hospital where I was born. I hope it is visible to you. Just let me check it. Yes, it is visible. And second sentence, Mrs. Kumar has been a teacher for 30 years. Mrs. Kumar has been a teacher for 30 years. She will retire now. So what can we use? And my dear students, in first and second sentence we are using an adverb clause. Adverb clause, what is an adverb clause? Adverb clause or noun clause, those are used in a complex sentences. So what we can see, Mrs. Kumar, who has been a teacher for 30 years, comma, will retire now. Dear students, we have changed the sentence. Who has been a teacher? Who has been a teacher? This is an adjective clause. Adjective clause. And here this is an adverb clause. So by using these clauses we can join these sentences. Okay, next sentence. The children were delighted. The children were delighted. The exams had been cancelled. And this is very true in the scenario of lockdown, because government denied the fact, government cancelled the exams and promoted the students without exams. Okay, so let's see. How can we change this sentence? You can see that there is a reason found in these sentences. And this is the result. The students were delighted. Why they were delighted? What is the reason? And reason is exams had been cancelled. So we can directly say the children were delighted because the exams had been cancelled. The children were delighted as the exams had been cancelled. Simple, very simple. So The children were delighted as the exams had been cancelled. Clear? Now the last sentence. We are not allowed to play in the sun. We are not allowed to play in the rain. Nowhere. So, how can we join this sentence? My dear students, such sentences which have negation in both parts, which have not in both parts, we can change this sentence by using neither and nor. Neither nor. So, what we can do? Neither we are allowed to play in the sun, nor we are allowed to play in the rain. So how is it now? Is it perfect now? Neither we are allowed to play in the sun, nor we are allowed to play in the rain. And this can be changed in a different manner. We are allowed to play neither in the sun nor in the rain. We are allowed to play neither in the sun, neither in the rain. This is also correct. So we have joined these sentences and it has 4 marks, my dear students, 4 marks. And these questions have been picked from previous year question papers. So these are very important, you know. And several previous videos, passages, unseen passages and word filling passages have already been given in the description box. You can check them, or you can press the bell icon also to check these details. Okay, so this is perfect. You can practice them, and in coming time I will be uploading such videos. Just support me. Share this video to your friends and like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.